cars?
Oh my gosh,
Hey,
it's
there's
lightning.
lightning.
Is this one of the first ones? You barely get your foot in the stirrup, and he's charging
He's
down
off
the
he
field.
go, boy. That's why I rode the parade.
Boy, you girl's a stallion.
Yeah.
Rode that horse in the parade.
Like,
There we go, and off we go. Woo!
Yeah, I'm along.
Oh gosh, Dad, I'm gonna have to stop at some point. I'll let you know when. All right?
It might be getting near the end.
Yeah, but if it doesn't, when I say
Boy, look at that horse,
yeah.
boy. It looked like a real stallion there,
I'll
dog.
tell you, he was a pretty little guy.
Yeah, he was. What the heck are we at there?
This is back at the
yeah,
house.
Jamie, you're
Yeah.
gonna ride by yourself.
Oh, look at that place. Isn't that something?
All the houses are up and running.
Where are we at there? I can't
Hey,
see.
Sharon,
It's
did
a
I
demo.
answer?
Wonder where that trolley is. Do they still have it?
Uh-oh.
Oh, God, there he is.
There he is.
Back.
There is old Tex.
That's all over.
The horse is just
Busy
walking
watching.
along.
Waving to everybody.
Hi, kitty. Oh, Jack.
Oh.